Morning thoughts. Another bright and early Monday morning, and we're back to work again. Shout out to all the people who tune into SouFLoTV on a regular basis. For those of you who gotta get up and go get it on a Monday morning, big up to all my Jamaican people and big up to all my Caribbean people and worldwide. And I know so we're global, right? Alright, everywhere I've been in the world, I've met some kind of Caribbean person there. Whether from Jamaica, Antigua, Grenada, Barbuda, St. Lucia, Dominica, any which part in the Caribbean you can think of, we're spread out all across the world. Everywhere I've been, I've met a Jamaican there, so I know we're global. Hard-working people, bless up on yourself. Two things I'm going to talk about real quick this morning. One, don't put anything past anybody. People are people and they're capable of anything. Let's start out with the pastor story now. So, you are a male pastor. You are a male pastor, right? Big grown man, elder, and you get caught sucking a dildo. And you have the nerve and the audacity to come up with an excuse why you're sucking that dildo. Now, people, tell me, is there a reason why? For all the ladies out there, please answer me. If you are with a man, I want you to answer this question in the comment section below. If you are with a man, whether it's your boyfriend, your dating, your lover, or your husband, if you're with a man, ladies, and you caught your man sucking a dildo, what would your reaction be? What would your thoughts be about him? Now, let me tell you something. Nobody can draw me going to no church ever again. And here's the reason why. I can fellowship in my own house. I can fellowship in my own temple, which is my body. I can fellowship within my own soul. I don't have to go into a building to fellowship. Church nowadays ain't like what church used to be when me did I grew up. When I was growing up, you see, let me tell you about church. Pastor used to live round the corner. Pastor used to live, and pastor never cared about no fanciness in the church. The little collection that was taken up, them never used to force you. We used to throw anything we have. And if we didn't have, we didn't have. Right? And it actually did go towards putting in like 2 more new benches at the church and paint up the inside, or harvest are come and we're going to put food together and these kind of things and have real community gatherings and helping real people in the community. Sister so-and-so have a doctor bill and that have to pay off. And brother so-and-so have to go to Dr. Wednesday and we need transportation and these kind of things. Them things don't happen no more. Pastor come church, stretch out their hand nowadays, pass around collection plate about 10 times until it's full. Preach some monotonous nonsense and then go about their business with a whole bunch of money, poor people money in their pockets, back to their fancy house. And their children go to the best school and grandkids live fine. That is what they do these days. And the funny thing is, there are people in the church that will give their last. The worst part is, pastor knows that Sister James giving her last. Pastor knows that Brother Michael is struggling with bills, hospital bill pile upon him. JPS, I come cut off the light bill, I come cut off the light, electricity, all kind of stuff. And you think pastor would say, here, hold that check here. This is from the church. Pay off those bills. And next week we concentrate on another church member. No. They tell you to give more and pray harder. Oh, wicked self. What justification is there for a man, a pastor man, to be caught sucking a dildo? That's what me want to know. Now I don't have the video here this morning, but the video is out there on social media, and I'm sure a lot of y'all have seen it. I don't have the video here this morning. I'm doing this with my phone. I'm here about to go get my daily bread, and I am going to, see, dress for work. I'm in my scrubs, and I'm about to go in and get my daily bread, so I can't do the whole show you the video thing. Another thing I want to talk about now, switching topics, switching gears. Let's talk about owning a gun. Somebody said, SouFlo, I don't know why you advocate for owning a gun, because if everybody owned a gun, then it would just be the wild, wild west. Because everybody would be shooting everybody over any little thing. No, it wouldn't. I'm in Texas right now, in the USA, where pretty much everybody owns a gun here. And I have not heard one gun shooting incident since I've been here. You know why? Because Those who want to use a gun on someone, respect the fact that that someone probably has a gun as well. Or definitely their family members have a gun. So ain't no, I'm pulling out and shooting at you. A story came out of Jamaica yesterday, and the story was about a businesswoman that got followed home from her business after closing up shop and heading home, and gunman follow her all the way home. Decides to rob the lady. They asked her for her money. She didn't give it up. They hit her in her face. Bam, gun butt. Took away her bag. Her bag had her licensed firearm in it. Your licensed firearm's supposed to be on your body. That's where mine stay. Anyway, took away her bag. And lost for train of thought. Someone was coming out the front door of the facility just now. Took away her bag from her and ordered her to go into the house. She rang the bell. All hell broke loose. Her son was inside the house. Is also, listen to the story, also a licensed firearm holder. Saw what was going on. Got into a shootout with the men. Killed two of them. Plain old self-defense. Your mother just take gun butt to the face on robbery, right? Killed two of them. Got her bag back with her licensed firearm. 2 men dead. The third one got shot but got away. The sad part of this story is this. Here is a hard-working family that has built a successful business, and they're not running away from Jamaica. They live there. Even though their father, the man of the household, was killed in a similar situation a couple of years ago. They followed him after he closed up his business, robbed him, shot him, and killed him. So his son decided this isn't going to happen again, right? And that's the kind of world that we're living in today. Anyways, I'm about to go in here, man, get my daily bread. Big up on yourself. Please answer in the comment section, though. What reason could a grown man have that claims he is heterosexual to be caught sucking a dildo? It's oh gosh. Hey, have a productive, progressive, happy, funny, healthy day. Alright? I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.